welcome back to the channel. I'm Amanda Ray, if you don't know who I am. Today we are going to be taking off the sheepy manifold. We just got the Evo 8 up and running, so it seems a little weird that we're taking off the manifold already, but we are taking off this sheepy manifold here. I'm gonna take off the manifold with the wastegate, everything all together. Taking it off because we're getting a bung welded on the manifold so we know what the exhaust back pressure is. We're gonna be using an exhaust pressure sensor that he has in a box somewhere. He said it's in a white box, but I can't find it. This might be it right here. Yeah, here we go. So we got the sensor down here. That's gonna be installed soon. We're gonna get this off first. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that started and I'll be back. So we got the manifold out. Here it is, right here. Took it with the wastegate and all. Believe it or not, this is the original color of the wastegate from the white Evo Fire. It stripped the paint right off. So this is just the color that it was underneath. We didn't powder coat it or nothing. So I'm gonna put this off to the side. All right, like I said, we are putting a bung on this so that way we can monitor the pressure. I did, however, take out a stud when I was doing this, so I'm going to have to let the ginger know, and I'll fix that for him. But anyway, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. That gasket is rusty. Gross. All right, so next step is going to be bringing that to the welder. You want to go, Yosh? Yeah? So we're going to bring the sheepy manifold to the welder to get the bung thing done. And then we'll bring it back and we'll get it installed. We'll get the sensor installed, which is in that white box right next to it. We'll get all that installed, and then we'll get it back up and running into the tuner to see what it makes. Right, I will be back in just a little bit. All right, guys, so it is the same night. I went to work, Bradley got home from work, picked up the manifold, took it to Axiom here locally in Melbourne to put the bung on, which we have here. I'm gonna give it to Bradley to hold. This is the bung that he bought on Amazon right here. It's this thing right here, and then Axiom just welded it on. Smooth welds. Oh, look at that. So we are gonna put the manifold right back onto the car and get it ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. We're going to take off the makeshift turbo holder and clamp it here, and we'll be good to go. On to bigger and better things. Alrighty guys, so we got the manifold completely back on, the wastegate's hooked up, and we got the turbo back on, connected with the clamp, and everything is good to go. Radiator gave us some troubles, but it is good. Now we are, I just put my hands right in that nastiness, nasty. Routing the hose to the bung right now. We're just running it behind the radiator because we are going to be using the coolant sensor here, basically because the ECU doesn't have enough ports. There's a wire getting in my way. Come to mama. Beautiful. What? Want me to go a different way?
Nope.
And this is only going to be used for the tune, basically. So it's like a dual port, basically. So we'll just unplug this into this for when they do the tune, so we don't give too much heat to the engine, and then when the tune is done, we'll unplug this, put it back into here. That way this can do its job, and we'll have to cap the bung in general. I believe that is it. Did I miss anything? Alright. So we need a zip tie. Do you want me to reroute this in a different way? I don't think you're happy with this. Alrighty guys, so we took the manifold off, got the bung hole welded on by Axiom. Does an amazing job. He is also going to be the one who is doing our cage in the white Evo outside. And then we put everything back together. We do have it all hooked up. Sensor we routed out behind the radiator and it came out right here. We zip tied it to this hose right here. So now we have a dual port. A dual sensor per se. So it's perfect. It's just for tuning purposes. We'll unplug it and cap the bung when we're not needing it. So as for that, this is completely done. Next step for the Evo is going to be installing the catch can, which goes right here in this big empty space, which we have in this beautiful box right here. Alright guys, and here it is, the new catch can for the Evo 8, made by Fab on Instagram. It's pretty nice actually. The welds look pretty spot on. It has 5 ports in the back, as you can see right here. I'm gonna get a close look on that. Looks really good actually. It looks like it's gonna fit nicely. So it's gonna go right here. My guess is gonna go this way. That's probably, yeah, right there. Yep, exactly where it's gonna sit. So it's gonna sit just like that. And then the ports are gonna go from here, here, and here. That's how it's pretty much gonna look. Wow, that's pretty good. Are you gonna powder coat this?
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe? I would. Alright, well, so here you guys go. This is the catch can again for the Evo 8. Now once we get this installed, the Evo will be officially ready for the tune and the dyno to see what numbers she puts out. Super excited to see that. A little nervous at the same time. That's all I got. We're gonna install this tomorrow. We'll be able to get it back on the road. You can see that in my next video, so stay tuned guys. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you on the next one.